Lee here with Gasser Garage, and I've got a Troublemaker 2000 Mitsubishi Montero, and came in crank no start, was sitting for several years, had lots of other parts replaced. Long story short, I found that I was not getting the spark at the right time, which generally would tell you, okay, base timing, since it's a timing belt system, is off. When I had checked it, I went off of the harmonic balancer onto the marks on the timing cover. And when I lined these up, my marks on my camshafts lined up. But when I took off the harmonic balancer and took off the cover, I actually found that the customer had put in a crank position sensor themselves, took the belt off, and they didn't put the little dowel in the harmonic balancer that keeps this in time with the crank back on. So long story short, this engine was not in time when it actually showed from the outside that it was. I should have double checked, triple checked, probably scoped it before I took it apart, but we did find her, and we're turning problems into progress.